Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both machines and the cable so nothing blocks traffic. Plug the Ethernet cable into each NIC and confirm link lights. That proves the physical layer is okay. On the host, assign a static IP like 192, 168, 0, 1/24 so the client has a reachable gateway. On the client, pick 192, 168, 0, 2/24 or leave it for DHCP. Make sure you have admin rights and briefly disable a restrictive firewall. This removes a common early failure while you configure sharing. Once done with IPs and connection, turn on the sharing service so packets flow from the client to the internet. On Windows, enable internet connection, sharing on the adapter that has internet and select the LAN interface as the shared network. On Linux or Mac OS, enable IP forwarding and add a NAT rule or create a bridge so the client's traffic is masqueraded to the upstream connection. After enabling, test by pinging the host IP. Make sure to watch for dropped packets and review the sharing/NAT status if you see failures. Now finalize and confirm the setup so it keeps working. On the client, set the gateway to the host IP and DNS to your ISP or 8, then ping 8 and open a web page to verify connectivity. If you prefer automatic addressing, enable DHCP on the host instead of static client IPs. If things go wrong, a single key troubleshooting step is to re-enable ICMP and temporarily disable the firewall. Then ping the host, check link lights and NIC drivers, and confirm IP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.